God made us three. He made body and a soul.
Oh, okay.
And God, Holy Spirit. 3, 1. But sin happened. I became dirty. God's Holy Spirit had to leave. So now, body and soul. That's it. So what happens when the body dies? Both die. But now with baptism, we have body, soul. And baptized, God, Holy Spirit. So yes, body died, but soul. And then later, Jesus make body new, perfect. And 3, perfect again. And 1.